Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the language for your OneDrive interface. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to change the interface language. On the navbar, at the top right, you will see a gear-like icon right next to this diamond-like thing. Simply click on it right now. Then something like this will open up right from there. Do note that it is going to give you some options like option itself, upgrade, get the OneDrive application, or simply this language-like icon. Currently it is on English. I'm gonna click on it right now. Now as you can see, something like this opened up. Now from here, simply select the language of your choice. I'm gonna select it right now. And once everything's okay, simply hit on change display language. And guys, that's it. That's how we change the language for your OneDrive interface. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.